Okay, did you like the video? Did you enjoy the story? Now, let me show you what is your task. Me and Ms Stephanie also sent you this worksheet. So I hope you can see it well on my computer. So let me explain what you need to do here. As you can see, so you have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay? And here you have some pictures, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, and then you have a pig, a grandpa and grandma, fox, gingerbread man running out of the house, a cow, and a butcher. Now let me tell you guys, one of these pictures that you have here doesn't really belong in the story. So only one of these 6 pictures is not a picture from the story. So do you know which of these pictures doesn't belong here? Let me just tell you one more time what we have here. A pig, grandpa and grandma, a fox, gingerbread man running out of the house, a cow, and a butcher. Now, if you know which picture doesn't belong in this story, what you need to do is the following thing. You need to have a little piece of paper, okay? And on it, you need to draw the last animal the gingerbread man saw before he met the fox, okay? So remember, he ran out of the house, he met one animal, the second animal, and the third animal, and then the fox. So you need to think very hard which was that third animal, okay? So what we're doing here, we're testing your memory a little bit to see if you can remember all the things that happened in the story. Now, in case that you can't remember which animal it was, it's perfectly fine to take a look at the video again and check there which was the last animal, okay? Now, what do you do next? After you have a new picture, okay, you need to try to put those pictures in order. So if you can print this, then you're gonna cut these pictures out. And of these things, what was the first thing that you could see in the story? You're gonna paste it, you're going to stick it with glue at number 1. Next thing at number 2, next thing at number 3, and so on, okay? In case you cannot print it, it's also okay. What you're going to do in your notebooks, you're going to make copies of these pictures, okay? Very simple ones. You don't have to spend hours and hours drawing beautiful drawings. You can, of course, if you want to, but if not, you can just draw a very simple pig, 2 simple figures for grandpa and grandma, and so on. A house and a gingerbread man, that's enough, okay? So draw those pictures then, and then next to them you can write these numbers, okay? So the first thing that happened in the story, you put number 1. What happened next out of all of those pictures, you put number 3, and so on and so forth, okay? Now, what I would very much like is if once you are done, if it's possible to take a picture and send it to me so I can see how you did that task. While you're doing that, I suggest that you play the Gingerbread Man song that you heard in the earlier video, and also you can play maybe some Jollyphonic songs in the background, okay? Relax, enjoy, and well guys, that's it when it comes to our second class of English. After this, you're going to have a math lesson and you're learning a new number today, okay? Remember, if you have any questions, your parents can always send me an email and ask what they have. Hope you're having fun and learning a lot. See you. Bye-bye.